Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2018 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic, and this is in Silver Fortune. And it's absolutely beautiful. The color is immaculate, the paint is great, we've got the Vance & Hines exhaust and it sounds amazing. The bags are in great condition, all the leather is still super nice. We've got the Live to Ride, Ride to Live intake cover. We also have some heat shields. The hard-mounted locking saddlebags. These are new to the updated Heritage, and I just absolutely love them. They look great. We've got rider floorboards, engine guards. This one also does have ABS. I just got done riding it. It U-turns like a dream. Like, you turn the bars, it freaking wants to go. Again, this is a 2018 Heritage Classic. Come check it out. Come ride this. It is so smooth. I love it. I might take it home. We are open 6 days a week for test rides.